This was the bird that was getting beaten. V. I was changing Thea water, and right after that I ran to the bathroom C's stomach. Probs. The one that got beaten was their own sibling, but IDKY they beat him up. This is a very long vid, probably my most longest vid. Do you want a 2x version vid? Please watch this vid all the way to the end and don't forget to sub and like. Tyson bye, I'm not gonna talk anymore. That punch though. Abe, okay, bye. They do be abusing her though. Yes, the bird is a girl, the one that is being beaten.
What is going on? Why is that thing recording
Someone
me? Oh
help
my
me,
God.
I'm gonna fall. You guys didn't help me, you brats.
Hey bro, why you hit me?
Just
So
wait.
we killing her or what?
Hey, why you hit me again?
I don't like you.
Hello, world.
Jaime and the other guy are planning on killing that new girl.
Noise.
Hi, bro.
Hi, Jude. The camera is looking at us. Act cool.
You know I can see you, right?
Why does this keep moving? Why am I so itchy?
Dude, what the hell are you doing? What dat? I swear I saw something.
Wait, what was I doing here again?
Okay, I saw something too. What the actual F are you doing? Dude, when the hell would you stop eating? You're getting fat.
Shut the hell up. You're the one getting fat. Look at yourself.
Dude, whoa, the hell keep screaming? Shut the F up, you're annoying.
I'ma jump on that thing. Wii U. Hey bro, why the hell do you keep hitting me? Stop.
I may hit you.
I survived, ha ha ha.
Are you eating again? Yes, what you gon' do about it?
Dude, what the actual F are you doing? Get off me.
Why am I in here? I am scared. Someone help me. Dude, get away from me. I will seriously send you to Jesus myself. Get the F away from me.
Fine, I was just annoying you anyways. Hello, what are you doing?
Why does everyone keep hunting me down?
You finally stopped eating.
Yes, now shut up. Bro, should I attack her again?
Bro, you literally pushed me off.
They started attacking each other for no reason.
Bro, just stop.
Do you want part 2?